second week started to a much different note as compared to the first week. Of course, all the emphasis in this entire second week is devising and actually creating a piece of theatre. Our morning sessions now of Prabhat and Tomba have just been reduced to hardcore practice. Prabhat today was just flat out testing our stamina, just strengthening us, because these classes have now been reduced. They were earlier 2 hours, now they're just 1 hour each. The emphasis from now on is classes with Naushad, our new instructor, and our interplay, our communicating on stage, and our acting classes with Shankar. The change that has come about, really, which is really important, is that now even the simplest of exercises now have greater meaning to it. We no longer just walk slowly on stage, or walk slowly in a space. It's now more about that exercise now should be linked to performance. Everything from breathing to walking to looking. Now, every exercise, no matter how simple the gesture, we're constantly being reminded that it's all about our performance, about how we perform on stage as actors. And that is the important thing that we all have to take away from this week, the coming days, is that as actors we have to realize that every gesture, every breath, every single movement, no matter how minuscule or minute, when done on stage, should have meaning, should have purpose, and there should be a reason as to why it's there. Otherwise it's pointless, and it's just a waste of time and energy. And that's what's really important, and that's what I'm really focusing on today. My personal controlling my aggression thing, I think, is getting a little better, although from time to time it does still slip. Coming as our parents was the exercise that was asked for us to be done by Naushad sir, which was really interesting, and I think the reason that we were all able to very effectively portray our parents, which is a little scary, is because of the fact that we can empathize with our parents. And empathy is very important while portraying a character, which is what we took away. So it's shaping up to be a very interesting week, and I'm really hoping to look forward to more.